Hey guys, it's Ray over at Sahara Coins. I always talk about it being a buyer's market for silver or a buyer's market for gold, but I wanted to bring up that right now is actually a really strong buyer's market for numismatics. The reason I say that is because of gold and silver being down for so long, we're starting to see a lot of people moving over to numismatics. So the prices haven't necessarily come down on numismatics like they have on gold and silver. Some of the coins have fluctuated 2 to 3%, but what you're seeing is instead of that constant growth, it's slowed down a little bit, so it's really a good time to take advantage of getting some numismatics. I mean, there's coins that have been put in people's collections that haven't been out on the market for years that are coming out on the market right now because, you know, people may need some money or they're wanting to move around stuff in their collection to get into other items, and we're seeing a lot of rarities coming out on the market that weren't coming out on the market for the last few years. So it's a great time to get a hold of things. The other thing we're seeing is Washington quarters. Washington quarters have, for a long time, I mean, people love them, but at the same time, they've always just been kind of pushed to the side. Right now, I would personally say that Washington quarters are the dark horse of numismatics. It's like back in the day, Franklin half dollars. At one point, they were looked at like, well, it's just a $50, it's no big deal. And they took off. I mean, the interest really picked up in them. There's huge premiums in the Franklin market. And right now, I'm starting to see the same trends with Washington quarters. People are starting to buy them up. The middle of the road stuff, AU coins, in low grade mint state, we're starting to see them pick up premiums, but it's still very, very affordable. You can get some 63s, 64s for a decent price. Put them away and just let time do its thing, and eventually you're going to make some great money on them. So, you know, keep an eye on all the numismatic trends. Again, right now is a great market for numismatics. If you have any questions about them, give us a call. We'd love to educate you on numismatics and what the pluses and the minuses are of them. So anytime you have questions, feel free to call us, send us an email, or just stop by the store and we'll help you out.